Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, gonna to show you how to type this symbol in MS Word. So very simple. Firstly, click on Insert. After click on Symbol, click on More Symbol. Type character code 00D6. After click on Insert, click on Close. That is so very simple and easy. Firstly, click on Insert. After click on Symbol, click on More Symbol. Type character code 00D6. Click on Insert. Click on Insert. Click on Insert. Click on Close. That is. So this is very simple and easy. If you went to this symbol type in MS Word, so this like. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.